Bitcoin just hit a new high again. And if you've been scrolling through your phone lately, you've definitely noticed that the entire crypto market is looking really green, right? A lot of analysts are saying, we've entered the next phase of the crazy bull market, the so-called banana range. And it looks like 2025 could be a big year. It's been a huge year for the crypto industry, and it's an unprecedented opportunity for regular folks. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into the details. What does this wave of changes really mean? What might happen? And how can regular folks seize the opportunity and make the most of it? Hey, crypto isn't just for programmers. I'm Gida. And on this channel, I'm here to take you from beginner to Web3 Pro. If this sounds like your kind of thing, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button to stay competitive in the Web3 space. Leveling up your skills as a DApp developer is the way to go. Head over to our homepage, and I'll guide you through every step of the journey. First off, the trend of the crypto industry booming is becoming more and more obvious. Whether you support Trump or not, he just got elected as the U.S. president for 2025. In some videos before this, I've mentioned that the election results could have a big impact on the crypto market. And so far, the market's reaction has been positive. I personally think that over the next 12 months, the overall crypto industry will perform better. I'm still focused on the long-term development of the blockchain sector. Like I always say, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Now's the perfect time to upgrade your skills and get into the blockchain industry, especially if you want to become a blockchain developer, since opportunities in the future are only going to increase. Let me introduce myself real quick. A lot of my longtime viewers might already know my story, but there could be some new friends just joining my channel. I started out in the finance industry. I taught myself programming because I wanted to do automated trading. But back then, the brokers didn't support automated interfaces and the entry barrier was really high. So I ended up switching gears. Back then, when the crypto market was really convenient, I got the idea to create my own blockchain game in 2017. So, I taught myself how to develop dApps, and I literally spent 3 months sitting in Starbucks. The store clerks all know me now, and looking back, it's kind of embarrassing. Ever since then, whether it's a bull market or a bear market, there have always been plenty of opportunities for blockchain developers, and when the market is hot, those opportunities multiply because the entire industry has a huge demand for tech talent. The amount of capital is really skyrocketing, way more than you can imagine. These opportunities aren't just tied to crypto prices. Since I got into this field in 2017, the industry has always dealt with regulatory constraints, especially in the US. It's hilarious that when I was working on a quant platform, I got warnings from the SEC across the ocean. However, some new policies are currently opening the door for innovation in this industry, benefiting developers and investors. These policies bring huge opportunities, and I'll explain in detail in the video how they could impact us and how they drive change. The industry is growing fast. For example, there's this practical offline token system being launched in the US, but pretty much no one is brave enough to give it a shot. People are worried that these tokens might be considered unregistered securities, but if there were clear rules in place, it would let everyone know what's allowed and what's not. There's such a beautiful potential for DeFi projects to take off quickly. These clear rules not only help bring practical projects to life, but also benefit developers and investors. Creating more opportunities can really drive the whole industry forward. At the same time, there are a bunch of other factors contributing to this change, like lower interest rates and increased market liquidity. The crypto industry is definitely getting a boost, and once the regulations start to ease up, more venture capital will flow back into the crypto space. Investors will jump on these opportunities and put their money into those projects that can survive and thrive, will directly boost the demand for tech developers. Plus, there's a possibility that the U.S. might include Bitcoin in its national reserves. If countries really start hoarding large amounts of Bitcoin, others will likely follow suit. This kind of global scramble not only drives up prices even more, but it could also boost the overall market cap of the entire crypto space, create more projects and jobs for the industry. For a structured learning path and developing Web3 projects on Solana and other EVM chains, make sure to follow our channel for more tech insights. If you'd like to join our bootcamp, head over to my Patreon. With a free subscription, you'll receive a Web3 project development learning blueprint, outlining the essential skills to quickly build your own dApp. See you there.